what's up, friends? Eric Crumbaker coming at you from Cal American and the Costantino group. And we had such a great response from our first season of the Spotlights. We decided to launch a season 2, and to kick it off, we're at a nice little home here in Laverne. We're at Sweet Charlie's online bake shop. She does everything from her home, everything from her own kitchen. Let's go check out her operations, see what it's all about. Amber, thank you so much for having us.
Thanks for coming.
Yes, so we are at Sweet Charlie's Bake Shop.
Which is named after my grandma, who is the one who taught me how to bake.
That's who taught you how to bake?
Yes.
So what did you bake as a little young child?
Mostly cookies,
Okay.
which that's kind of my first love, and it's one of the things we're going to do today.
Okay. She's going to do a cookie right now. It's right.
Yep, pumpkin snickerdoodles. They're a fall favorite right now. But now I just kind of do it all.
All right, so what are we doing here today?
Yeah, so we're gonna do a cake today. We're gonna do some cake pops, a couple different types of cookies. I'm just gonna kind of show you a little bit of everything, so you guys can get a taste of it all. So I've already got the batter already made for you. Your basic ingredients with a few secret ingredients.
Oh, proprietary secret ingredients.
Yeah, and then gonna drop in some sprinkles. I always say the more the better. So we're gonna pop this guy in the oven here.
Okay.
Like I said, it's gonna bake for about 30-40 minutes. So we're gonna do some cake pops.
Cake pops!
Yay!
Yes!
So first I've got my chocolate here. We're gonna melt some chocolate.
Okay.
Once that's melted, we're gonna start rolling some cake, get it on a stick,
Let's
and
do this.
start dipping.
All right.
All right. Just gonna dip a little on the end. This is gonna help it stick in the cake pop so you don't pick up the cake pop and lose it off your straw. And then the key is you wanna wait for that to dry before you dip it into that chocolate so it doesn't come off the straw.
Okay.
All right, so these are sugar cookies. These are what I do when I do custom decorated sugar cookies.
Okay.
Pretty much any shape you can think of.
You've got it?
I've got it, or I will make it happen.
I've got a creative mind. So apparently I'm going to decorate a cookie right now.
White pumpkins are popular.
You know, I heard they are. Amber, this has been so much fun. We finally have some finished products.
Yes.
What do we have here? What are we trying?
Yeah, so we have the pumpkin snickerdoodles that I scooped out and baked earlier.
Okay.
Some
Cake pops?
Some cake pops, your giant one, that's all you.
I love it.
Some cookies here.
Yep.
You can choose yours or mine.
Pumpkin.
And then these are some cupcakes I decorated earlier, or I baked earlier.
I tried one earlier, but let's try one of these. What is this again?
It's the pumpkin snickerdoodle. It's a fall favorite right now. One of my favorites.
Hey guys, Eric Crumbaker. I hope you really enjoyed the first episode of season 2. Stay tuned for more. Let's get out of here. Let's wrap it up.
Let's do it.
It's a wrap.